Komatsu testing fan for the engine. And this one is the PC300-8. Later we'll show you the video how to test the engine, see the data, power flow is enough or not, have the exhaust gas or not, and also the turbo will get the air good or not. Okay, later we will do the full running to see this performance review engine is okay or not. We have this power heavy load to make the engine, to see the engine in high speed and the heavy pressure. Later we will see the performance is okay or not. We also have the full lift Komatsu data to compare new and review engine for the condition is okay or not.